the bearers performing baby bathing. As I enter the room, I already wash my hand, turn off the AC and fan, close the windows and doors to keep the room warm. This is all the material we need. First, turn on the faucet, fill the basin in the tub, close the faucet, add the hot water in basin and tub. Check the temperature of water by using elbow because elbow is the most sensitive sense of touch. The temperature of water is 37. The level of the water is 2 to 3 inches deep. Get the baby. Check the temperature of baby by using thermometer. Cleanest to dirtiest, discard. The temperature of the baby is 36.6 is normal and clean again. Cleanest to dirtiest, discard. Clean the face of the baby. First, the eyes. Deep squeeze. Wipe inner to outer canthus, discard. Deep squeeze. Forehead to cheek to chin, discard. Deep squeeze. Back of the ears to neck, discard. First, I then carry the baby in football hold. Make sure the ears are covered. Then wet the head with some shampoo, lather. Massage circular motion, then rinse. Then pat dry, discard the towel. Then undress the baby. Clean all folds. Deep squeeze, wipe, discard, deep squeeze, wipe, discard, deep squeeze, wipe, discard, deep squeeze, wipe, discard, and put back the clothes. Deep squeeze, wipe, discard, deep squeeze, wipe, discard, deep squeeze, wipe, discard. Then check the diaper of the baby if urinated defecated. Deep squeeze, wipe, discard, and the genital part, deep squeeze, finish to dirtiest, discard the diaper, then discard all the clothes, wet the body of the baby, and have some soap, lather, and rub, then hold the baby in elevate position, then make sure the ears are covered, rinse the body, the front and the back, and pat dry. Remove the towel. First the diaper, then dress, nipples, booties, then sandal. Put back the baby in carrier. Preparing milk. The bottle is already sterile. The ratio of milk is 1:1. 1 ounce and 1 scoop. Then swirl. Then check the temperature of milk. Then okay. Then mix the baby. Then cradle hold. Feed the baby in half ounce, then birth, then let the baby finish the remaining milk, and birth, and put back the baby in carrier.